Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna do a request today because my colleagues Robin and Matthijs, they asked me if I could do a video about something vegetarian. So I said, of course, I'd love to do this. Then I was thinking about which recipe. Then I thought, of course, Ratatouille, the classic southern French vegetable stew. So that is why I got a lot of vegetables right here on the table. First up, it's the preparation of the vegetables, because vegetables, that's what this dish is about. So, I'm using half an eggplant, also known as aubergine. I'm gonna cut this one into cubes. Courgette, also known as zucchini. I'm gonna treat this the same way. Yellow paprika, of course, you can use green paprika or red one. I use the yellow one because this is all about the color. Red onion, I'm gonna chop it quite roughly. Last but certainly not least, 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna smash these and just chop these kind of roughly. Chopped up all the vegetables, and for the tomato I'm going to use passata, straight tomatoes, because this is much easier than using fresh tomatoes in this case. The saucepan that I bought in Thailand, which is very good for shakshuka, bolognese and also for ratatouille. Quite a lot of extra virgin olive oil in there, and with the red onion, a little bit of black pepper already with the red onion, because there is a nice combination. Eggplant. Then I'm gonna use some salt, in this case vegetine, on the eggplant, quite a lot. Courgette straight in, and also the garlic. And the yellow paprika. Straight in with the herbs and spices, which are like thyme and oregano. 2 very Mediterranean herbs, very suitable for a dish like ratatouille. A little bit of cayenne pepper for extra heat, and of course a little bit of black pepper, why not? Gonna stir this very well so that nothing gets burnt. To make sure I take care of the vegetables very well, I will add the passata, strained tomatoes, and half of the bowl. And then the rest of the passata and I'll leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes. My ratatouille seems to be ready, so I'm gonna place a little bit of fresh leaves of basil in there for extra garnish. Plate this up. The smell is incredible already because of the eggplant and the other vegetables, but especially the eggplant in combination with spices and herbs. Let's try this. That is beautiful, that is aromatic. So many flavors all in one bite. Must not forget about my bread. Top the bread with the ratatouille. That is nice. I simply love eggplant aubergine. You just have to know how to cook this vegetable. Alongside with the other vegetables. Yellow paprika. One of my favorite vegetables. A little bit of paprika, a little bit of eggplant, some courgette, onion. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.